Good evening, everyone. It's March 19th, 2023. This is just a 1 hour chart of the ES. Now, I want to make a note from about last month or a few weeks ago. We started balancing below this 40-30 area. Maybe I'll turn off all the pictures there for you guys. So we're kind of balancing below this 40-15, 40-30 area for about a week or so. And we did have a look above, distributed, came back below, and then from there on, we were unable to get back above that sort of whatever low to mid 40 whatever 40 15 to 40 30 kind of area. We're unable to get it back above that, and again we tested it on that Friday towards the evening. Now, what did we have? We had a failure for buyers to bring this thing higher. It eventually sold off lower, made new lows on that balance, and then ripped up with that squeeze. Now, to me, this looks kind of similar. Balancing this time at 39.70s. Buyers unable to break this 39.65 to 75 area. Sellers bring it lower, balances a bit, and we get that short squeeze up above balance, and now we're back below. So just like how when we came back inside this 40-30 balance and defended it, that's what I'm kind of looking at for now. I want to see this 39.70-ish balance defended, and I want to see if we either hold the bid at the prior balance area. So we did during this session, we did come in and hold 39.80s for a session or two before making new lows on that balance, on this balance. Similarly, I want to see if we come back inside, kind of hold the lows of balance once again, kind of whatever, 38.75 to 85, perhaps even the bid here at 05, and then we come back above, fail, and make new lows. So the way I'm looking to play this for tomorrow is just in line with that. We are back inside that 39.75 balance. You can see it sold off really well during Globex just now. And I want to be short up around there. Woo! Sneezing. I want to be short in the 39.70s. I want to be short the 39.50s. Essentially, I'm looking for a reversion back to the origin of this spike, back towards weekly V. Last week's VWAP closed around 30. What was it? 39.30-ish. Kind of the lows of the session. I want reversion back into that weekly VWAP. I want reversion back into the origin of this breakout, this huge breakout, and I want to see if we can even revert down into here. So I will be short biased below 39.75. Above there, and I'm not looking to get short until yearly VWAP-ish. That also coincides with a point of control from Thursday, March 9th. And above there, not interested until the 52s, where we had that distributive point of control on the month, earlier in the month on that first week. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm not too interested in trying to help find the bid below 38.75. I am aware that we might be finding it, maybe around 38.50s, where we had that early volume built up on the week. I believe is 52 or something like that, or 50 half. Can't recall. Maybe 38.50 even. But instead, I'll wait to let this thing find a bid on its own. In a bear market, I would rather let this thing just find a bid and then show me where we start to balance. So really, that's about as simple as I'm keeping this thing. I want to be short around the highs of balance, and I'm just going to change this to even with no gap. I want to be short 52s. Just shorting if there's a gap, shorting the gap close, otherwise shorting the weekly pocket 52 half. Short 72, 76 3/4, that weekly value area high, I believe the 87%, perhaps it's the 91%, I cannot recall, but I like that number in general. Just pulling it up. Yeah, it's the 87%. Above there, not looking to get short until that Wednesday, last Thursday distributive point of control, last Thursday, and then above 40.52. Below, getting long at this breakout bid sort of thing around 39.05s, and then getting long somewhere around balance lows. So keeping it pretty simple. I think we're in for a smaller rotational Monday session. I'm not expecting any sort of huge moves, so I'll be a little bit more aggressive on the mean reversion side. Hope that helps. Hope that makes sense. That's really all I have for today. Trade safe and have a great night.